welcome to Say Auto. Let's go up to the barn garage and see what Victor's into today.
Sane Auto produces DIY auto repair videos and tool reviews. Hosted by retired ASE certified master mechanic Victor Sane.
And he's a cutie pie too.
So I've noticed if I'm doing cycles on the Tenergy T180, I normally hit this cycle button right here. And because I'm doing 3 cycles, this will take me to the first page of 3 pages, and I access the other 2 pages by pressing this arrow right here, and I can see all of my capacities, both charging and discharging, how many mAh capacity it was able to take during the charge and how much it was able to give back during the discharge. But this cycle button right here is so close to these 2 buttons beside it that if you hit the graph, you'll see the graph, and you can back out of the graph and back to this page and still hit the cycle button and get your data. If you hit the back button, it'll be here instead of the stop button. If you hit the back button, it backs you out of this to another page, and then you cannot get to your data, and you'll never know what your capacities were. So be careful of that if you're using a Tenergy T180. Now, I hope and wish that I'm wrong about that. There's something that I don't know about the T180 in order to recover that data. If there is something you know that I don't know and I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below, and everyone else in the comments below, so we will all know what can be done to recover that data. As far as I know at this point, if you make that mistake, there's no way to recover that data. Lost that data. And if somebody does come up with some kind of solution for this, I will test it out, and if it works, I will make a video to let you all know how to recover that data. Lots more shenanigans like this in our hybrid repair playlist. Lots more stuff about the T180 in the hybrid repair playlist as well. Ask questions in the comments. Sometimes I make a video to answer the comments, or I just answer the comment right there in the comment section, or both. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We've got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Sane Auto. Binge watch Sane Auto.